Hello YouTube, welcome to this part of the tutorial. In this tutorial we will see a form submission premium plugin which is used with combination of WordPress. Its name is Magic Form. Let's create a form. Click on the forms. On the left side we have three options for the forms: active, inactive and archived. But first we have to create a new form. Click on the create form plus button. Give it any name, whatever you like. Maximum 50 characters can be given. Create form button clicked. A new page will be open, and this is the working area. On the right side this is the options bar, options area. On top is the button, settings, actions and publish. We can give the name for this page. For example, student submission form. We can also give the page subtitle. It is student form. Now we have to create few elements for this form. If we hover over the green button, it will show us three columns of multiple options. For example, let's create a single line. Here it will tell us that please enter your name. We can change this text input. Like this. We can create other options. We can integrate other options as well. Let's add radio button. Your degree program. On the right side we see that when we select any element, its relevant options are given. For example, on the radio options we'll have a label like this, which we have added before. We can show, hide, align like this. We can select icon as well, any icon which is suitable for this. Whatever you like. Let's go for this. Remember that you can change this at any time. I'm just adding. Input is required. Yes, it is required. Others, no. Others, no. Options, we can enable values like 1, 2, other. We can add options as well like this. We can give description for this section of the element. Let's add another. Let's add date picker. We can give a color scheme of this. Let's add file upload. If student have to submit or upload any kind of form whose file size is 5 MB. We can rename like this. Browse button label megabyte 5 here, or make it 2, whatever you like. Other options like labels, inputs, default and loading settings like this. Icon color we can select like this, reddish, red color. Lastly, we have to add a submit button as well. We can center align. We can select any icon and save the form. Let's click on the preview button. On the preview page we have three options: desktop, tablet and mobile devices. This is the form we'll see. Let's add something. choose radio options. Let's date pick. Today is 23rd, and we can also use any upload option files. Lastly, we will add submit. Hit the submit button and form submitted successfully will be shown. Same will be shown on the tablet, on the mobile as well. Let's pick date, submit. Go to the build button in order to add other elements if you would like to, like Google Maps, reCAPTCHA, address, password, country list, etc. We can save to the database. Here are the settings. We can change the name of the form. Again, it can be visible. We can put on the conditional logic that whether it will be presented on a one page or another page or not. Submissions and other settings as well. We can enable GDPR compliance checkbox like this and we can add privacy policy over here. And here is the thank you button, which we have seen before. We can add another icon or text, but we'll go with the default settings. Let's publish it. If we copied and create a new page, if we go to our created page, we just simply need to copy and paste. Let's update, view, and this is how our form will be shown to us. Let's submit it, and this is how it will be submitted to the website owner. If we go to the dashboard, it will tell us that we have form 1, which we have created before, and it has been submitted 3 times, as we have seen that once on the desktop, once on the mobile device, mobile view, and third on the web page. It is telling us that 3 submissions have been made on that form. We can also use templates already made by a Magic Form. Like, let's import employment and create an employment form. Give it a name, create form. Page will be open. Here we have seen that they have already added multiple fields: name, birth date, phone, email, etc. All the settings, all the buttons are already configured. Let's preview it. We will add our name, last name, date pick, phone, select phone from the country list, email, address, city, and country list as well. We can specify our job skills, any reference, and then we can hit apply. The form will be submitted successfully. This can also be shown on tablet device, on the mobile device as well. A beautiful form will be shown over here. So guys, this is how we can add into, or we can add this form into our WordPress theme or WordPress website. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Bye.